That he feel good.
Okay, guys, this is an INDIBA treatment I'm doing on Liz. She has bursitis in her right shoulder. And what she's going to be feeling now is a warm sensation here on her shoulder. How does this feel, Liz?
It feel good.
Okay. And this is stimulating circulation, blood flow, and also reducing any inflammation that she's experiencing.
Okay, it's getting hot.
Okay, yep.
It's getting hot.
Okay. Turn it down a little bit, as you see. Mike has turned it down for me. I'm gonna apply a little bit more cream to her shoulder. Alrighty. Starting back with her treatment. I'm going in nice circular motions.
Go down a little bit more to the arm too, yeah.
Okay, yep.
Because if you stay in one spot too long, it's gonna get warm.
Warm, yep. Okay, yep. I feel the
whole, yeah,
heat.
there you go, all the way down.
There we
Yeah,
go.
she don't like that.
Yep. And as I'm moving the resistive plate around on her arm, I'm also doing a massage with it as well. So she's getting a 2-for-1, guys. And while I'm using a resistive head here, as you guys can see here, this is going all the way down to the bone. Okay, so it's doing a nice, good, deep penetration of radio wave here. And it's helping this area, help the cells in this area heal itself.
How's the heat?
Right.
Still good?
How's the heat? You have to continually check with your client to see how the heat is, because it can get a little warm when you get into certain areas. Okay, so those of you guys who are experiencing any kind of pain, shoulder, back, knee, plantar fasciitis, if you're someone you know that can benefit from this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Massage Doctor signing out, and I will be posting more videos about this treatment. Love you guys. Bye.